Hi, this is Neil with Jotform. In this video, I'll show you how to host group meetings by allowing multiple attendees to book the same appointment slot. Start by opening your prepared form from your workspace. Click on the appointment field in your form. Then select the gear icon to open Appointment Properties. Go to the Advanced tab. Under Appointment Type, you can choose between one-on-one or group. Select Group to enable multi-attendee scheduling. Set the maximum number of attendees allowed per time slot. Keep in mind that group appointments require a minimum of 2 attendees. Once the maximum number of bookings is reached, that time slot automatically becomes unavailable. Jotform will update your availability in real time as attendees book their spots. When you're done, click Preview Form to see how group bookings appear to users. And that's it! You can now host workshops, classes, or team sessions with controlled group sizes. Thanks for watching. Explore more Jotform appointment features, and we'll see you in the next video.